This is what happens inside your body when you sneeze. Tiny invaders like dust or pollen hit your nose lining. Instantly, nerve endings fire a warning to your brain. Your chest, throat, and face muscles tense up like a loaded spring. Suddenly, your lungs blast air out at over 100 miles per hour. Mucus, saliva, and germs explode from your nose in a violent spray. Sometimes your heart skips a beat, literally. All this just to clear out a single tiny particle. And this is happening inside you right now.